Welcome back to MVP Road Car. Today, we're diving into a detailed look at the 2026 Toyota Corolla car that continues to evolve while staying true to its reliable roots. Whether you're a longtime Corolla fan or just curious about what this compact sedan offers in its latest form, stay tuned because Toyota has made some interesting changes worth talking about. Let's start by looking at the design. The 2026 Corolla has received a subtle yet modern refresh. Toyota didn't go overboard, but the new front grille is sleeker and gives off a slightly more aggressive vibe than last year's model. Slimmer LED headlights now stretch farther into the fenders, giving it a wider, more planted stance. Around the back, the taillights have been reworked with sharper detailing, and there's a new set of 17 or 18-inch alloy wheels depending on the trim. The overall silhouette is still unmistakably Corolla compact, clean, and a little sporty, but it feels more refined and confident this time around. Now stepping inside, the 2026 Corolla offers a cabin that punches above its weight class. Toyota has upgraded some materials, especially on the dashboard and door panels, where soft-touch surfaces replace what used to be hard plastic. There's a new 10.5-inch touchscreen standard across most trims. Running Toyota's latest system, it's snappier, more intuitive, and finally supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The instrument cluster is now fully digital on higher trims, offering customizable layouts and a sharper display. The seats remain supportive, with available synthetic leather in the XSE trim, and rear seat space is adequate for adults on short to medium trips. Trunk space hasn't changed much, still practical, still usable, but not segment-leading. The hood, the 2026 Corolla keeps things simple but efficient. You'll find the familiar 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine on most trims, now tuned slightly for smoother delivery and better fuel economy. It puts out around 169 horsepower, paired with a continuously variable transmission. It's not a performance car, but for daily driving it feels responsive enough, especially in city traffic and on highway merges. If you're looking for something even more fuel efficient, the hybrid variant returns. Now offering up to 52 miles per gallon combined, Toyota has also improved the ride quality with slight adjustments to suspension tuning, so it feels a bit more composed over rough roads without sacrificing the nimble handling. Corolla is known for safety. Tech is a big part of the package here, too. Every 2026 Corolla comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and traffic sign recognition. These systems have been refined for smoother intervention and better reliability, helping the Corolla remain one of the safest cars in its class. Pricing is competitive, as expected. The base model starts around $23,000, which is only a modest bump from last year, considering the added tech. The mid-level SE and XLE trims push you closer to the $26,000, $28,000 range, while the fully loaded XSE will land just over $30,000. The hybrid versions are priced similarly, and for many buyers, the fuel savings could make them worth a slightly higher upfront cost. So is the 2026 Corolla exciting? Maybe not in the way a sports car is, but it's smart, refined, reliable, and now a bit more stylish and tech-savvy than before. Toyota knows its audience, and this version of the Corolla speaks directly to drivers who want peace of mind with a little more polish. If you're in the market for an affordable compact sedan that doesn't feel cheap, this car should be on your test drive list. That wraps up our detailed look at the 2026 Toyota Corolla. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this review helpful. Until next time, this is MVP Road Car. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.